Cool. So it has been 12 hours since my study session. Like, not since. It has been 12 hours since I've been studying, and I'm very tired. I'm dead. It's 3 o'clock in the morning or night, and I just want to sleep now. And I crossed 200 subscribers. So yeah, I'm happy about that. So 200 subscribers I crossed yesterday. But since yesterday I have been shooting this 12-hour video, so I'll upload that today. But yeah, whoever has subscribed, thank you very much. And yeah, it's amazing. I like studying, so yeah, let's see how can do it. But yeah, so today mostly I was going through system design for the thing that I'm trying to make the project. Um, so in the beginning, I was just going through the system design, how different architectures I can use, which database and everything. Trying to find articles about that. Couldn't find much articles about it, but I guess I just build a rough version. I won't think about the most optimized version, but uh, even backend, I was thinking to just build a normal version, just a Jugaad version. But at one point, I thought he might as well learning experience to learn new tools, which would be Nest plus GraphQL plus Prisma plus Postgres and Docker. So all these technologies I know very little, so I want to deep dive into them and just learn to have a strong backend tech stack ready always to on which I can build anything, right? So that is the point of me trying to now learn multiple of these. And even when I used to watch Primage's video, there was this thing he used to say, "You don't have more than two unknowns in a project, so like there should be at least two, like not more than two unknowns, right? But in my case, there are five unknowns, so it was a bit of a struggle determining what my backend would look like. I have no idea what backend am I supposed to make. Sure, I can make a quick backend which will serve the purpose, but I don't want to use it. I want to actually learn Nest.js, Prisma, and the other thing, right? How everything will work together with GraphQL. I've never made a GraphQL server, so that will be amazing thing to work with, right? So yeah, so the day went into that, and also then I just started working on the project. So many problems I faced during the by when I was building the project. Right? There were all these edge cases coming up for the judge type of system, right? So when it's a Vim editor, right? So basically, what happens is when you're in a Vim editor, backspace doesn't work, arrow keys doesn't work, but in the code mirror, it was working. So I had to prevent that. But how to prevent that, right? So I thought I will just use on key down, and in the events I will just ignore, but that did not work. I was looking for the solution for the longest time, but then I found on key down capture helped a lot because it also takes into account when you press continuously the key, right? When you press J to move down for the longest time, it will capture all those events. So in the judging system, I can take that also into account, how to like what the user actually do, like all tracing I can manage, right? So yeah, that was amazing thing. So arrow keys I have fixed, duplication I have fixed, these things I have fixed. Also, I finally today understood the two pointer method in merging of median of two sorted arrays, and I wrote the solution in C++ and TypeScript. Tomorrow, like sometime after, I will go into the binary search solution. So that will be kind of interesting because this took a lot of time. I don't know how much time binary search will take, but I'll just keep doing. There is no rush to do it. Just trust the process and keep doing it. Let's see how that goes. Yeah, so that was about it. So even another thing was when I was setting up Docker, it was a headache to set up. But it was my mistake. I did not set it up properly and everything. Also, another thing that was I looked into was Yarn or NPM. I like Yarn better now because it is so much more faster than uh, npm. I'll start using more and more yarn uh, soon. Also, I was thinking about whether to do this judging thing on client side or server side. I settled on client side. Long story short, right? It was I'll optimize it later. First, I want to just get it working. So yeah, so that's about today. 200 subscribers. Great hard work today. Finally solved um, median of two sorted arrays. And what else? Learn to set up Docker with Docker Compose. But bunch of stuff I did. I can't even remember what all I did. But yeah, it was 12 hours of fun for me. I will again do a session whenever I get a holiday.